The couple of engineers we started our R&D research development in power electronics because at that time we were putting thrust on telecom industry, then in other SAC compensators and all. But due to my past experience, which was in central inverters and string inverters, then we thought of introducing those products in India. But unfortunately, in 2010, 2012, इंडिया में उसका रिक्वायरमेंट इतना नहीं था स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर्स का. Only few companies like SMA or Refisol, those people were there in that particular time. So then and in 2013 and 14, our government has come up with a very ambitious plan to go ahead with 175 gigawatt of solar projects in India. Out of this 175 gigawatt, they had planned 100 gigawatt till 2022 for only solar. So then we thought, rather going for some other product, it is better to develop our own product for string inverters. But to develop that product and to market that product in India, it's not that easy. So then we started procuring these products from China or US or some products we have imported from Germany. So we were doing some researches on those products. Researches in the sense like why these products are failing in India, what type of grid condition is there. So what we have to do is to upgrade our product. So there was a lot of things which my team has done it. We started with 4-5 engineers that time, and today our team size is somewhere around more than 100 people we are there in our company. Initially, those were the days like we were doing some trading business also. So in 2015 we started and we introduced our first grid tie inverter, which was one of the benchmark in this industry. So that time in Gujarat we have offered that product where our prices was almost 25% lesser than the multinational companies or probably like companies from China and all. So this product has given us a very good thrust, particularly from Gujarat region. Gujarat, last year till last year we have done around 500 megawatt. Our is the only company who has executed more than 500 megawatt in Gujarat itself. In fact, I am also proud that we are the first Indian company to execute almost 1.56 lakhs of inverters all India level. So that is also one of the benchmarks where our company has got. So in 2016 or 17, I was fortunate to meet Kashivaji, and just because general discussion we had, he was doing some other business with the company. So then we requested him to start our business because that particular time we were doing couple of 5 से 10 inverters हम लोग बेच रहे थे. So I seen a potential with him, the aggression and the networking he is having with the dealer network. Then I thought to promote, why not to promote him, and then we started slowly, steadily. And today, as he has mentioned, I think in Rajasthan we are #1 position as far as units are concerned. So that is also the entire credit goes to Kashivaji because he has single-handedly. I tell you, we don't have any marketing person in Rajasthan. We have technical or service engineers. We don't have marketing guy. He is the only person who is outrightly doing the marketing for our product. So it is for us also it gives very enough prestige for having such type of person in our organization. And as far as the different type of projects are concerned, like our company also has executed some projects with NTPC, and NTPC they come to our factory, they test each and every parameter. Whatever we tell or we show it on our data sheet, they don't believe it on our data sheet. They want to come personally, they want to check all the parameters like power factor, THD, current THD, voltage THD. All those parameters they tested properly. And we are the only company in India who has given Indian company. Why I am telling you Indian company? Because we don't have any, outsourced, we are not having any, what you can say, foreign collaboration for our products or for our investment. It's purely a 100% company. So, NTPC is one of our prestigious customers. Then Sky project, because the Surya Kamal Yojana, which was first formulated by our ministry, renewable ministry for agricultural people, farmers. So we had successfully executed more than say 2,000 inverters 3 years back. So that has given us a lot of boost in our technology. And today we got the order, as Kartika has told you that we got an order of Kusum. So we are the first, we are the first company to get this order. And this order is not small, it's almost I think 2,000 odd inverters are there, which will, sorry, it is 5,000 inverters in Rajasthan. So that is also a credit which goes to the entire Kartika and our team. So these are few things which has made K Solare one of the foremost company. People like Chinese company, they envy on us because वो सोचते हैं कि ये छोटी कंपनी कहाँ से उभर के आई है और इतने स्पीड में क्यों जा रही है. ये these are the questions they are every time they are discussing amongst them. They are in fact discussing with me also. तो आपका strategy क्या है, आप क्यों कैसे बेच पाते हो. Basically, it is the confidence which has been inculcated with our dealer, distributor, EPC player, and of course the company. We have quite a good technical team. Now, Mr. Tejas, he is quite young, just 24 years age, but immense knowledge they have taken. So we have quite a junior in it. Except me, I have entire team which is less than 40 years old. So you can believe, we have pretty good team with us, and they are giving after sales service. Any technical issue is there at night also, you call them, they will be ready to answer you. This you will not get with any of the multinational companies. I have worked with multinational companies. Saturday, Sunday तो काम करते ही नहीं है. 6 बजे के बाद आपका फोन भी नहीं उठाएंगे. If at all you have any problem with your service, they will tell you that these are the letters or these are the documents which you have to type it. You have to take a photograph. SPD नहीं लगाया तो हम सर्विस नहीं देंगे. DC साइड में ये होगा तो हम लोग नहीं देंगे. अर्थिंग अरेस्टर नहीं है तो हम लोग सर्विस नहीं देंगे. Again, K Solar is the only company. आपका इन्वर्टर अगर खराब हो जाता है या जल जाता है या कुछ भी होता है, we give free replacement during the warranty period. No other company. So these are the things that has made our company. We started in 2015-16 was first year to launch this product. And probably हमारा sale आप देखोगे तो it was just nearly 2 lakhs. And you see our exponential growth. 15-16 में करीबन 3 करोड़ था, उसके बाद में 30 करोड़ हुआ, उसके बाद में 60 करोड़ हो गया. Last year we did more than 100 crore. This year our target is 150 crore. So basically, all this credit goes to you because you have helped us a lot. ये कैसा होता है कि it is a team effort. कार्तिक जी है, आप लोग हैं, ये सब ने मिलके अभी जब मैं 2-3 लोगों से बात कर रहा था, उन्होंने बोला भाई हम लोग K Solar से दूसरा लेते ही नहीं है करके. मतलब ये कॉन्फिडेंस इनके पास आया है. And they wanted to promote Indian companies. That is more important to us. Well, as I mentioned, हमारे पूज्य पिताजी ने वही कहा था कि भाई आपको इंडिया के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना है. So थोड़ा तो कुछ हम लोग कर रहे हैं Indian companies. So these are basically the things which I would like to tell you. I will go with some technical things also, which will definitely give you more, advantages of why one should use K Solar. See, basically, there was a recent, in ministry that 175 gigawatt का जो आपने target लिया है, it has to be increased to almost 450 gigawatt till 2030. So you can see what is the basic business you will get it in solar business. So that is, आप जब भी काम करते हैं तो solar is the only industry where you will get the trajectory or buoyancy or whatever you say in the business. So that is one of the best business options which you have in solar. उसी के लिए now government is also coming out with the PI scheme wherein big companies like Adani or Reliance or similar other companies, Patanjali, they are using a lot of money for manufacturing some of the byproducts or some of the BOS products for solar. So basically, as I mentioned, we have more than our directors and some other people who are there associated with you. More than 29 years of experience. They have worked in almost all the multinational companies worldwide. And today we have almost crossed 1 gigawatt of solar inverter. So that is also one of the greatest advantage which we have. As far as service is concerned, like as I mentioned we are the only company which provide you a service, not only replacement of the inverter. We also do fault finding component level. That is the biggest advantage. You see any other company, I don't want to take the name of my competitors, but if you see their servicing, they will either replace the card or replace the entire unit. But in our case, my engineer will go at site and he will do the servicing at the component level. So that is the advantage. इसमें क्या होता है कि ऑलमोस्ट 5 या 10 साल के बाद में आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है, उसमें कुछ फेलियर आता है, तो आप तो कंपनी के पास जाओगे, उनको बोलोगे भैया मेरा एक रजिस्टर गया अंदर का, विच इज कॉस्टिंग से 10 नया पैसा। फॉर दैट द कंपनी विल टेल कि भाई आपको तो अभी ये नया लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इसकी कीमत अभी 50,000 रुपये। तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल नो कि भाई आप वी आर इंडियन, हमें तो अननेसरी खर्चा करना नहीं है। अननेसरी छोटा अगर रिपेयर हो जाता है, आज मारुति 800 भी लोग चलाते ही हैं इतने साल के बाद। So similarly, our product should be well equipped and it should be serviced. I am not telling you to buy K Solar product, but buy a product where you will get a proper after-sales service. So that is more important. As I mentioned you that our company growth rate is exponentially high. We have sold almost 1.5 lakh units. We are doing servicing at the assembly level also. That is also one of the greatest advantage which we have for our system. Our growth rate is also going almost year to year. If you see, it is almost more than 100% we are crossing. As far as our installation base is concerned, if you can see in this chart, PGVCL, this is an old slide, but we have done more than 400 megawatt till now. Last PGVCL, out of 650 megawatt, we have sold around 255 megawatt. So that is also biggest achievement we got it. RREC also we have sold Sky project, SECI, REL. Also REL we are also selling our inverters for their projects. MP, IGPCL, NTPC, SDMC. You name the company, you name the type of institute, you name the colleges, you name wherever you see. We are having a very good market share in this category. Basically, we are coming up with 3 different products. One is we call it as एक सामान्य आदमी को जो प्रोडक्ट लगता है, जैसे मारुति, कार, Mercedes, like that we have bifurcated 3 products. One is our 5G model. 5G model we are promoting against the Chinese company because Chinese products are cheaper. But our product is definitely cheaper, but not cheaper in the quality. Because here our 5G model is being manufactured in Pune itself. Because here it is having, we are cooperating with Jindal and Hindalco for the heat sink. Then the entire aluminium enclosure is being manufactured in our company. The entire, the inductor is also been manufactured by us. So this 5G product is the cheapest and most reliable product available. This we have sold it plenty in market. The only, whenever we tell our customer that our product life is somewhere around 25 years. But this 25 years, it's quite a big time. But for 5G product, because 5G series, we are using a component which will last for 10 or 12 years. Then we have the next version, that is we call it as a 5G Pro. Pro is like, it is like a Mercedes Benz. If you compare with Maruti and Mercedes, but we are not charging for the difference between Benz and Maruti. It is hardly 10% with 5G and 5G Pro. But in that 10%, you are getting enhanced warranty of 8 years or 10 years. You get more generation also. Generation इसके लिए ज़्यादा मिलता है कि हमने क्या किया है इसमें. You must have seen most of the inverters which are available in the market has a voltage band of 170 to 270. तो ये बैंड में क्या हो जाता है कि कभी-कभी आपके पास वोल्टेज बढ़ जाता है या एसी ऑन किया तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हो जाता है दोपहर के वक्त में, तो आपका इन्वर्टर बंद पड़ जाता है because they have a limited band. Whereas in this series, what we have done it, we have increased that bandwidth to 140 to almost 300 volt. इतना बड़ा bandwidth दिया है, तो आपका voltage fluctuation भी हो गया, तो हमारा इन्वर्टर बंद नहीं पड़ता है. So that is the greatest advantage with our 5G Pro. Then we have a 5G Ultra series. Ultra series also there are certain customers for whom we are not promoting aggressively in the market. This is basically all-in-one product. All-in-one मतलब इसमें क्या होता है कि ACDB, DCDB, MCB अंदर ही built up होता है. तो आपको अलग से लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट आपने लेना है, बस 2 स्क्रू लगा के इन्वर्टर टांग के उसको LC4 में कनेक्शन दे देना। एक केबल भी होती है डायरेक्टली आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बॉक्स में चली जाती है। तो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल टू इंस्टॉल। तो आपका इंस्टॉलेशन का समय जो पहले 2 घंटा लगता था, ये करीबन 10 या 15 मिनट में निकल जाता है। तो दिस इज बेसिकली आवर 5G Ultra। I don't want to go more technical details because I think everything is mentioned in our catalog. This is our 5G Pro model. इसका एक सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज ऐसा है कि दिस इज हैविंग अलॉय टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, तो इसकी वजह से इसकी हीट काफ़ी कम हो जाती है, और हीट जैसे ही कम हो जाती है तो आपकी रिलायबिलिटी भी बढ़ जाती है। सेकेंडली, इसका जो PCB है ये हम लोग यहाँ पे नहीं बनाते हैं, वी आर गेटिंग इट फ्रॉम ताइवान। वो जो कंपनी है उनके पास में करीबन 150 करोड़ का सेटअप है जहाँ पे ये PCB बनती है। सिर्फ PCB बनाने के लिए 150 करोड़ का सेटअप है, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि इट इज बेसिकली अ वेरी रिफाइंड कंपनी विच हैज अ टोटल ऑटोमेशन। इसके जो PCB के एक एक कंपोनेंट है, वी कॉल इट एज अ फंक्शनल टेस्टर। ये फंक्शनल सर्किट टेस्टर होता है। तो मैं जो भी कंपोनेंट लगाता हूँ, जैसे मेरा एक कंपैरेटर है या एक कोई ट्रांजिस्टर है या IGBT है, इट गोज टू दैट एंड इट चेक्स दैट ये जो कंपोनेंट है ये ओके है या नहीं। So they charge some rupee on it. So definitely it's okay because we are getting a very refined and very excellent product from them. तो ये PCB जो हमारे बन के आते हैं, that is having a special type of layer on it. क्या होता है, ये these are small मतलब इतने छोटे components होते हैं कि आप देख भी नहीं पाते। तो 5 साल 10 साल में because of atmospheric condition there are micro fractures are there. I would say nano fractures are there that you cannot see with naked eye also. But because of that, probably your inverter may fail, which is, as I mentioned you, इतना छोटा होता है कि हम देख भी नहीं सकते, but उसका कॉस्ट भी कम होता है, but to identify that thing it is very difficult. So उसके लिए हमने क्या किया है कि ये FCT टेस्टिंग से बना के दिया है, और उसको एक स्पेशल टाइप का ग्लोइंग भी आ जाता है। तो ये सबसे बड़ा एक एडवांटेज है। बड़े इन्वर्टर्स जो है उनमें हमने 30 एंड अबव टाइप 2 टाइप 3 SPD दोनों में दे दिया है, तो उससे और एडवांटेज मिल जाता है। दिस इज बेसिकली दी सर्किटरी। यहाँ की जो ग्राफ पे हमने दिखाया है कि ब्रांड 2 एंड के सोलर है। बेसिकली लाइक अभी आपने बहुत से ब्रांड देखे होंगे, कोई किसी का जनरेशन भी कम आता है। जनरेशन कम होने का रीजन ये होता है कि डी रेटिंग जब होता है, जैसे हमारे आप राजस्थान में मेरे ख्याल से टेम्परेचर काफी हायर डिग्री पे होता है, तो ये जो इन्वर्टर का एक फीचर होता है कि जैसे ही टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है डी रेटिंग में चला जाता है। मतलब जैसे अभी 10 किलोवाट का इन्वर्टर है और टेम्परेचर आपका एनवायरमेंट टेम्परेचर से अराउंड 40 डिग्री है, तो 100% है। जैसे ही 42 हो जाएगा तो 10 किलोवाट की जगह पे वो 9 किलोवाट होगा। जैसे ही 43, 44 होगा, ये आपका आउटपुट कम होते जाता है। हमने क्या किया है, हमारे इन्वर्टर्स में हमने ओपन टाइप का लूप रखा है, तो जिसके कारण क्या हो जाता है कि आपका अगर टेम्परेचर भी बढ़ जाता है टिल 48 डिग्री और 50 डिग्री, स्टिल आवर इन्वर्टर विल वर्क विदाउट एनी डीरेटिंग। So that is also one of the benchmark in this industry which no other company is providing. So उसके लिए technical things are there which I don't want to go in much detail, but that is the thing which our product is having it. And we are using almost all the well-renowned components from like capacitors we are using it from Japan, then Tamura from Japan, the current transformer, TDK करके जो कंपनी है उसके बिल्कुल कैपेसिटर्स यूज करते हैं। विषय पूना में कंपनी है, उसके कैपेसिटर्स हम लोग यूज करते हैं। इंडक्टर्स हम लोग खुद इन-हाउस बना लेते हैं। तो बहुत कुछ इसमें हमारा खुद का योगदान भी है। एक 5G Pro मॉडल मेगा हमने अभी इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। मेगा इसके लिए किया है कि बहुत से अभी बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं कि जिसमें पीपल आर गोइंग फ्रॉम सेंट्रल इन्वर्टर्स टू स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर्स। उसके लिए एक रीजन भी ऐसा है कि भाई सेंट्रल इन्वर्टर्स में इट इज IP21 या IP24 होता है, तो लॉट ऑफ money is required to form a building and all those things are there. And secondly, the efficiency comes down. You don't have multiple MPPTs. For that, people would like to go for a string inverters for utility scale system. So for that, we have a 5G Pro model. So this is also one of the best product available. और इसका DC जो है वो almost 1500 वोल्ट का है। तो instead of 20 पैनल का आप स्ट्रिंग करते हैं, तो इसकी जगह पे आप almost 30 पैनल का कर सकते हैं। या 28 पैनल्स तक जा सकते हैं। तो एक बड़ा एडवांटेज है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ स्ट्रिंग मॉनिटरिंग लेवल सिस्टम ऑल्सो। और जैसे तेजस ने बताया था कि आपको जो अगर यू वांट टू change certain parameters as far as the power factor is concerned, so that can be done in this particular product. So this is also one of the best product available, and we started marketing this product in India since last 4-5 months. And this is certain things which I told you, like the other company has a limitation of bandwidth. Secondly, there are certain illustrations. See, basically, what is an ideal inverter? Ideal inverter ऐसा होना चाहिए कि भाई उसमें 30% ओवरलोडिंग हो, 100% AC साइड में आप पावर निकाल सकते हैं, एंड इट शुड वर्क एट 50 डिग्री ऑल्सो. So that is available in our 5G Pro model. So that is also one of the. And secondly, in India, what we have seen it after 2 या 3 साल के बाद में जब पैनल पे धूल लग जाती है, तो if you see the IV curve of a panel, आपका वोल्टेज थोड़ा कम हो जाता है या करंट कम हो जाता है. 5 या 6 साल के बाद में सपोज मैंने अभी देयर आर सर्टेन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी हु आर गिविंग यू cheaper version of inverter, but they have a MPPT bandwidth say from 700 to 850 volt. तो इसमें क्या होता है 5 साल के बाद में आपका 700 वोल्ट आने के लिए करीबन 10 बज जाते हैं. तो सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे तक का आपका पावर वैसे भी चला जाएगा. Whereas in our case, what we have done, we have increased that limit to certain, right from 110 volt. 110 वोल्ट जाने के लिए मतलब आधे पैनल खराब हो जाएंगे तब 110 मिलेगा. तो ऐसा होता नहीं है, बट स्टिल यू कैन हैव दैट टू ऑलमोस्ट 1000 वोल्ट. सो दैट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट एडवांटेज वी हैव. अल्ट्रा मॉडल आपको बताया और तेजस जी ने आपको जीरो एक्सपोर्ट भी बता दिया है. नाउ आई गो टू आवर अदर रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट विच वी कॉल इट एज एन हाइब्रिड प्रोडक्ट. तो हाइब्रिड में हमारे पास में 4 वर्जन्स है. वन इज वर्जन विच वी कॉल इट एज 3G HT मॉडल. HT मॉडल इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है और इसका अवेलेबिलिटी इज फ्रॉम 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50 किलोवाट तक जाता है. 3 फेज इन 3 फेज आउट है, सिंगल फेज इन सिंगल फेज आउट भी है. So this is also one of the rugged product, I would say, available with us with almost 99.99% of MPPT efficiency. Second product which we have displayed it over, that is a 5G Pro HTL model. So HTL model is basically a transformer-based model. The advantage with this is that the overloading capacity of panel is somewhere around 130%, 30% extra than what we are using it right now, and it is using a optimum cooling effect inside it. It's a radiator system which we have developed it. It has a IP65 ingress protection and available from 3 to 12 kilowatts. The fourth product we have 5G EL, that is energy storage system. So this is only particularly available with our batteries, where you can use a lithium-ion battery inside it. So you cannot connect any other batteries. And the fourth product is the feather-light product. इसका अगर आप देखोगे 5 किलोवाट या 6-7.5 किलोवाट का जो वेट है वही करीबन 7 या 7.5 kg का है. So it is so lightweight product, and it has a very wider range of MPPT. It is having the VA is equivalent to wattage, so there is no power factor. So it is like in a wattage form only you are getting this particular product, and it has a touch screen display, so you can do whatever menu, whatever things आपको पहले ग्रिड चाहिए या पहले एक्सपोर्ट करना है या पहले बैटरी में देना है. All those combination you can do it either remotely also or on the system itself. So this is also one of the best product available with us. So these are the 5 variants which we have. There are other, this I think I don't have to tell you more. Yeah, now because almost all the inverters which are fitted worldwide or even in India, now we are having good Wi-Fi and the mobile connectivity is also good. So we are getting all the information through GSM based or Wi-Fi through. So sitting at our place we have a CRM wherein we get a complete advantage of inverters. कि भाई इन्वर्टर क्यों फेल हो गया है, किस वजह से हुआ है. So we have done the analysis. Almost 80% of the inverters is failing due to environmental condition. कि आपका MCB ट्रिप हो जाता है. So I can get the knowledge, कि भाई F35 आ गया तो ये AC साइड का कोई इशू है. So we can tell the system integrator कि भाई आपको जाके वहाँ पे AC साइड देख लेना है. 3 फेज में 1 फेज निकल गया है या उसका फ्यूज निकल गया है. All those things we can remotely do it and remotely also we can assess or we can guide our system integrator. So that is also a great advantage which we have. We have done a lot of investment in this particular technology also. So it is available with the LAN, Wi-Fi, GPRS. We are also recently developed for some company. We are also giving OEM to some big company. I don't want to reveal the name of those companies right now. So these are basically, it works with RS-232 port also. So almost all the connectivity. Yeah, for that company, what we have done is, they wanted to have a local monitoring. उनका कहना है कि भाई लोगों को GPS नहीं लगाना है, Wi-Fi नहीं चाहिए, उनको local monitoring चाहिए. मेरे घर के ऊपर लगाया तो मुझे मोबाइल में दिखना चाहिए. So with the Bluetooth technology, we have adopted that also, and that has been developed with us. Third, for one company, they wanted they are from Calcutta. So Webreda करके है, उनका कहना है कि भाई almost 6 महीने तक हम डेटा आपका हमें विदाउट एनी वाईफाई स्टोरेज दिखना चाहिए in the chip form, So we have incorporated that thing with the SD card. So now it is working successfully. So we give a solution also. We do R&D, so we can provide you a lot of customized or tailor-made solution also. So this is our CRM. Like any customer who is using our inverter, just customer has to call our hotline number. Automatically he will get a message. In that, a small form is there where he has to mention about the serial number, the area where he is working, and what type of fault is there. So these 4-5 things, if you fill it, immediately my backend CRM team will approach them, and they will try to assess him whether how to solve that problem. It is not been solved, then we send our engineer also. So we have pretty good, almost 25 engineers, trained engineers throughout India, which has been successfully doing this job. These are some photographs of our factory. We are doing our own heat run test. We are the only company who we are the only company. We are the only one Indian company who has done the investment for ATA machine. ATA is automatic testing equipment. So आप inverter लगा देते हैं तो immediately in fraction of second it can test all parameters like THD, MPPT range, isolation or DC high voltage and all those things will be tested immediately. So that machine cost is somewhere around 1 crore. That also we have done pretty good investment in that. So we have in-house testing facility with all the latest technology tools. These are some photographs where we have, I think, most of the people they are using it successfully. Yeah, this is basically the Indian content, as I mentioned you. We are the only company we are using inverters made in India, cabinets made in India, heatsink made in India. PCB only we are not able to make it right now in India, but we are discussing with a lot of companies in India. Give us our requirements. So probably they will come that we will get that type of thing. As far as the investment in tools and machinery is concerned, we have ETA test machine, damp testing, and extreme heat chamber is also there, HP power supplies, coating thickness testing equipment. So all those thickness, all the machineries which is being required for the testing, we have those. This is our 5-level service. As I mentioned you, आपका call जाता है तो immediately we send our engineer, or if it has not been done, we send a replacement through our distributor, whosoever is there. In fact, I tell you, जो हमने 2012 में भी इन्वर्टर्स बेचे हैं, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो 100% फुल प्रूफ थे, खराब भी हुए, but today also we are giving service to them. So that shows our company is providing, and our company objective, motive, vision is to provide a proper solution to our customer, not to run away from the customer. That is more advantage. हाँ, उसमें कुछ भी गलती होती है, probably मेरा इंजीनियर जाता नहीं है कभी टाइम पर, तो कस्टमर पैनिक हो जाता है, कभी भी कस्टमर की वजह से भी गलतियाँ होती है. जैसे हमारे पास में वाईफाई मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम है, तो वहाँ पे सिंपल वर्ड में आपको पासवर्ड डालना पड़ता है. कोई कॉमा डाल देता है, स्पेस डाल देता है, उसकी वजह से चलता नहीं है. तो दोज कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर फेसिंग, बट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. एज फार एज इंडिया में कोई अगर आपको सब्सिडी के लिए जाना है या बेचना है या ग्रिड के साथ में इन्वर्टर जोड़ना है, तो यू रिक्वायर टू हैव ऑलमोस्ट ऑल दी सर्टिफिकेशन. So we have a certification from NIC, we have a certification from SGS, we have a certification from Balloon, and our is the our is the only ISO company, ISO manufacturing company for grid tiles. First company. No other company has started. We are the first to have this ISO certification for manufacturing grid tiles. So we have pretty good almost all the certifications which are there. These are the few new products which we will be launching it. This is Blueberry EV charging system. It is again, whatever product we launch in India, we would like to have a excellent product portfolio. आज आपने देखा होगा EV का क्रेज काफी बढ़ रहा है मार्केट में. Most of the Chinese products are entered in India. But with Chinese products, we are finding difficulty because they are not cyber security. They are not what you can say capable of delivering those things. So this is the unique product which we have. This will be launched in the month of December. And now, as I mentioned, we have already launching our hybrid system. So along with the hybrid system, we are also planning already this batteries, lithium-ion batteries and lead acid batteries has been already started promoting it. So these are different, two capacities. One is like 150 and the other is 200 Solar panel also, probably from December we are launching this panel. Now these panels will be available in two categories only, like DCR, non-DCR, 330 and 335 watt and 400 watt panel with the PERC. So these are our service station and distributor network which is available throughout India. So I'm very thankful to you. You have patiently listened my speech. I'm extremely sorry I have taken more time. So thank you very much. If you have any queries, you are most welcome.
थोड़ा सा मैं चाह रहा था कि आप हाइब्रिड के बारे में थोड़ा सा एलैबोरेट करके बताएं कि उसके कैसे यूजेस हैं, तो वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट का है क्योंकि जो फ्यूचर है वो तो वही है.
बेसिकली हाइब्रिड क्यों आगे चलने वाला है वो भी बताता हूँ. जैसे मैंने बताया कि गवर्नमेंट इज कमिंग आउट विद 430 गीगावाट and India there are still we are facing troubles as far as the power cuts are there. We are from Pune. पुणे में भी आज भी हमारे पास में थर्सडे को पूरे दिन लाइट नहीं होती है, और जब भी लाइट होती है तो आती है जाती है. तो वी आर हैविंग डीजी जनसेट बैटरी सिस्टम सोलर लगा के रखा है. तो स्टिल एवरीवेयर वी आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, और ये प्रॉब्लम और बढ़ने वाला है. आपने तो पढ़ा होगा कि कोल का शॉर्टेज वर्ल्ड वाइड बढ़ रहा है. चाइना जैसे कंट्रीज में कोल का शॉर्टेज हो रहा है. चाइना में पावर शटडाउन हुआ जो अभी तक मतलब दैट इज दी हकीकत है कि चाइना में ऑलमोस्ट शंघाई एंड नियर बाई एरियाज हैज बीन शट डाउन फॉर इंडस्ट्री फॉर मोर देन 2 आवर्स एवरी डे. सो कोल तो शॉर्टेज होने वाला है, तो उसकी वजह से यू रिक्वायर टू हैव सम बैकअप सिस्टम. डीजी जनसेट इज नॉट एन आइडियल बिकॉज अगेन यू विल बी रिक्वायरिंग डीजल पेट्रोल एंड ऑल. सो बेस्ट मीडिया इज सोलर विद कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ battery. So that is what this product will be having a very good market in the near future. And for that, it is like a combination of off-grid, on-grid, and without battery also you can use it. There are a number of places are there that customer wants to use it without battery. क्योंकि battery का खर्चा भी बहुत है. You can use it without battery also. In future, suppose you want to add battery, और आपका अगर load solar generation से काफी कम है, तो without battery also you can use that load. अगर बिजली नहीं है वहाँ पर. And this particular product, whatever series which we have, except our 3G HT, you can share like with DG. Suppose my load is 5 kilowatt, my solar generation is just 3 kilowatt. I can take the power from utility, the balance 2 kilowatt. So that is the advantage with this type of system. So it has more features. You can use it with lithium-ion battery. You can use with because it has a very powerful charging system. Almost 125 ampere current you can discharge for the battery, or you can charge the battery. This product you can use it as a UPS also because the changeover time is also very high. So lot of advantages there. I think इसको बहुत समझ आएगा सर. तो मतलब so this is like the hybrid which you can, as Mr. Tejas has mentioned you, that it can be synchronized with DG also. आपको लगता है कि DG को ऑन करना है जब मेरे पास में सोलर नहीं है या मेरा बैटरी पूरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई है, तो आई कैन प्रोग्राम इट. यू कैन हैव अ पीक शेयरिंग मोड ऑल्सो. पीक शेयरिंग क्या होता है कि मेरा एमडी डिमांड इससे 5 किलोवाट, 5 किलोवाट के ऊपर मुझे बिजली जानी थी, फिर मुझे पैनलाइज हो जाएगा यूपीए से. So then I can limit it to 5 kilowatt also. So that advantage it has. Then it has the smart load application. Smart load application क्या होता है कि I have excess power. I want to give it to my neighbor, or I want to use it for my washing machine or any other appliances. So I can use that particular smart load feature also along with it. You have seen like no other inverter you can club it with Grita inverter. Suppose मैंने Grita inverter लगा रखा है और मुझे off grid लगाना है. I cannot use it because off-grid, it is very dangerous to use off-grid inverter for grid-tie inverter to synchronize it. It may cause a dangerous thing for your off-grid. Because off-grid में क्या होता है कि the battery charging is directly, there is a diode inside it, so it will kill your batteries also. Directly that voltage will go to your inverter. So in this case, you can protect that thing. You can use small inverters, grid-tie inverters along with the system. Thirdly, lot of things are there. You can remotely see कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट कैसे चल रहा है, कहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. That also you can identify remotely. This product you can use it VRL battery, you can use gel battery, you can use flooded battery or lithium like lead acid battery, lithium ion, lithium phosphate. So there are different programs are there. You just select it. You can limit the charging current, you can limit the discharging current. All those features are available. It is one of the high-tech products which we have already launched 6 or 7 months back, and we are getting really good response from everyone. Price-wise also it is not very like it's like 20%, 25% over your grid-tie inverter. So you are getting all the features, all the facilities. Plus you can use it as an off-grid inverter, you can use it as a grid-tie inverter, you can use it as a hybrid inverter, and it has a very wider range of MPPT. So these are the things which we have. So if you have any questions, I think I'll be much interested in answering your difficulties.
सर इसको विंड में भी अगर अपने यूज करें तो क्या इट विल बी वर्क? और
सर विंड के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि विंड का आपने देखा होगा कि अगर विंड में आपने डमी लोड नहीं लगाया तो विंड टरबाइन विल मूव लाइक फ्री हैंड. तो आपका जो वोल्टेज अगर 48 वोल्ट के लिए आपने डिजाइन किया है तो इट में गो टू ऑलमोस्ट 200 वोल्ट. So you have to have a proper dumping facility for that wind generator, and that facility will be available with only using precision technology. So normal technology will not help, otherwise it will destroy the. There was one company in Pune, Unitron, who was doing it. So we had supplied them, but the same problem was there. So open loop में चला गया and MPPT का range exceeded almost 200 times. So inverter burn
जाता है. जो गवर्नमेंट का जो न्यू प्लान है वो तो यही है कि गवर्नमेंट का न्यू प्लान है आई थिंक. तो मुझे मतलब आई डोंट नो मतलब मैं ये लेकिन ये है कि मैंने भी सुना है कि जो हाइब्रिड इन्वर्टर का जो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हाइब्रिड पर आएगी जिसमें आपको 24 आवर्स आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर सकते हो, सेविंग स्टोरेज कर सकते हो थ्रू हाइब्रिड इन्वर्टर. नाइट में विंड के थ्रू हो जाएगी, डे में लाइट के थ्रू हो जाएगी, जो भी है. तो वो एक इन्वर्टर का इसमें
विंड आप बता सकते हैं, पर विंड का इशू क्या होता है कि 3 किलोवाट इट इज ओके, बट अबाउट 5 किलोवाट बिकॉज इट्स अ कैंटिलीवर वेट एट टॉप. उसके लिए आपको बिठाने उसकी जो डायमीटर ऑफ द फैन इटसेल्फ इज सो बिग, ऑलमोस्ट 3 मीटर. 3 मीटर का आपको लगाना है तो मुझे जो उसका पोल है वो करीबन मुझे 10 मीटर का लगाना पड़ता है. अगर 10 मीटर का मुझे वेट उधर करना है तो आई टू यूज अ ट्राइपॉड लाइक एनीथिंग, एंड उसका खर्चा बहुत हो जाता है. तो इंडिया में वो सक्सेसफुली हुआ नहीं है. तो रादर गोइंग फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सेस वर्टिकल एक्सेस विंड टरबाइन्स अभी डेवलप हो रहे हैं. तो प्रोबेबली यू कैन गो विद दैट टाइप ऑफ,
बिकॉज जो गवर्नमेंट है गवर्नमेंट तो कह ही रही है कि अपने को हाइब्रिड में जाना है. सो मे बी एनी प्लान वो लेके आएगी फ्यूचर जिससे अपना रहेगा. बिकॉज ये तो अपनी लिमिटेशन हो गई कि वी कैन नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दैट 500 जो आपने बोला है. बट गवर्नमेंट की जो भी स्कीम्स है या जो है उसमें तो यही है कि अपना 24 आवर्स अपने को स्टोरेज करना है.
अब जैसे माइक्रो विंड टरबाइन्स मार्केट में आए लाइक 100 वॉट 200 वॉट, जैसे हम पैनल यूज करते हैं 300 वॉट के, वैसे आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो स्टिल इट इज अंडर ट्रायल एंड एरर. So I hope that it will take some time. There are certain companies from Spain, we have interacted with them. They have already developed this. small and it's like a almost 12-inch height का 300 watt का wind generator है. It's vertically access wind turbine. So they are using special type of magnets. So probably that technology is also there, and hopefully like in a few years it will be launched in India also.
Okay, and one more guy.
Yeah, please.
जो इन्वर्टर में अपने को AC supply will be must, I think.
Yes.
So कई ऐसी कुछ मतलब
See, basically like
why we use
that also I tell you. See, basically what happened earlier, these inverters were आप जो कह रहे हैं कि बिजली जाने के बाद भी चलते थे.
Right.
तो यूरोप में काफी ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हो गए हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिशियन वाज डूइंग सम वर्क एंड दे गॉट शॉक लगने के कारण उड़ गए. तो उसकी वजह से फिर देन ऑल द इंडस्ट्री हैज फॉर्म्ड आईसी, इट्स इंटरनेशनल कमिटी दे हैव फॉर्मुलेटेड. उसमें उन्होंने ये रखा है कि भाई 62116 या कोई है आईसी, दैट आईसी इज मस्ट. इन दैट आईसी इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन एंटी आइलैंडिंग फीचर. तो आपका जैसे ही ग्रिड डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है, सो विद इन फ्यू सेकंड योर इन्वर्टर शुड बी स्विच्ड ऑफ. ये तो क्या होगा, कोई वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिशियन काम कर रहा है और आपका इन्वर्टर अगर बंद नहीं होता है तो इंटायर पावर विल गो एंड मे बी एक्सीडेंटल थिंग. सो दैट इट हैज टू बी कंट्रोल्ड. So for that, government has decided to put a prohibition particularly on this sector. So it is not working. और जो देता है that is a dangerous thing.
And जो अपना इन्वर्टर जैसे इन्वर्टर को आपने दिया है लाइट, मतलब अगर लाइट चली गई अपना, है ना, तो जनरेटर के थ्रू व्हाई कैन नॉट गो फॉर मतलब यूज, मतलब ऐसा क्वेरी भी आया था मतलब में चला
यूज कर सकते हैं ना, नॉट ग्रिड टाइप भी यूज कर सकते हैं ना. उसके लिए
ग्रिड का कनेक्शन आउट हो गया और मतलब अपने को इन्वर्टर के थ्रू उसको अप करना है,
कर सकते हैं.
क्या
तो उसको ETS टेक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं हम लोग. तो उसमें आप मतलब लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट, सो वी डू सर्किटरी है, उससे आप ऑन ऑफ स्विचिंग.
ऐसा कुछ सर्किट का पीपीटी है तो देन आप
डेफिनेटली विल शेयर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
अभी काफी लेट भी हो गया अभी. So while having our dinner, we can interact, no problem. And my contact numbers are also there. So probably anytime you can call me.
Any technical problems, you can talk to him. And if there is any complaint sort of a thing, AJS is there to handle. You can get it down to him. Okay, now I think you must have received the price list also and the new schemes. Has everybody received the price?